Hi, my name's Mark Troutman. I'm one of our litigation attorneys with Isaac Brandt, Ledman & Teeter, and I'm here today to talk to you about public records law, specifically redactions. The thought you should first begin with is a redaction is actually a denial of a particular record. While it might not be the whole record, you're denying a line of a record. Most often times people do this with just blacking out the line or whiting out the line in some cases. But again, the important part is because you are denying part of that record, the changes to the law in 2007 now require you to provide authority. Now, where do we go for authority? For authority, we can go to the Ohio Revised Code. For instance, if you're allowed to redact familial information, insurance information, things like that, you go right down in 149.43, pull out the particular subsection, and tell the person in your letter in which you confirm and produce records that you're going to be withholding certain information or it was redacted because of this particular exception. The other place you can look, and you might need an attorney to help you with this, is if there's some particular case law that allows you to not provide certain information. Now, redactions run the risk that people over-redact. Just because something seems personal, something seems private, doesn't mean you can refuse to turn over that information. Looking at the other way, if you properly redact your documents, it'll show two things. One, that you're complying with the law, and two, that you're attempting to liberally construe the exceptions and provide them all the other information in the document except for that you can specifically redact. One important note about redactions is that you have to tell someone the information you're redacting. That makes sense because if you have to give authority for it, you certainly have to tell them the general nature of the thing that you're redacting. This can take on a couple different examples, or this can be shown in a couple different examples. First of all, if there's a blank that says SSN colon, you probably don't need to tell the person that you redacted a social security number. On the other hand, if you're looking at an employment application and somehow someone's handwriting some description that familial information slides into and they redact one line that's at the end of a paragraph, you might need to tell them that you've redacted information under a particular section. So the law actually says that if the redactions aren't obvious, you should be sure to explain them fully to the requester when you're responding. My last thought is be careful with redactions. Redactions can be very valuable in showing the public the documents you have, or they are also run the risk that you over-redact and actually deny more information than you intend to. For more assistance on this and any other public records issue, please call me at Isaac Brandt, Ledman & Teeter. My name is Mark Troutman. My phone number is 614-221-2121. Thanks. Have a great day.